Hi, welcome to Creative Math with Ching-Hui. Today, on my SAT Math, I want to talk about a short video about the numbers and operation by using this to demonstrate. So how I use this to demonstrate the lesson today, okay? So, when we see something and we are usually curious and kind of wonder if we should pick up and try to discover what's that, okay? So I'm going to pick it up and then, whoa, surprise, okay? So, and then sometimes the students will kind of try to play with it and see what they can do with that, okay? Then they discover they can do this trick. Okay, so in this SAT Math lesson, we're going to talk about Chapter 1, Numbers and Operations. Okay, so we have to know what's in the number systems first. For example, like the solar system, you have to learn the planets in the solar system. So we have to learn the numbers in the number system first, okay? And then why I use this magic ring, for example, because I'm going to make a connection later, okay? So, and then we're going to move into the operations. Once you learn the numbers, then we have to operate these numbers. And there's pandas, also called the order of operation. We have to follow the rule of pandas. Okay, next is going to be using what we learned in the number system, like integers, fractions, decimals, percents, these different type of numbers in the operations. And then move into like verbal problems, like in the math word problems. If the question can be written in word problems, they are usually real-life math, okay? And then in the end, you can kind of sum up with doing some kind of data analysis or statistic probability, okay? Let me explain why I use this magic ring to connect with this lesson. First, I thought it's interesting. I see this, and then when I play with it, it converts into different form. But actually, they are the same. Okay, just like we learn something, and then you have to discover, what's the structure of the thing. So in number system, we have to learn, what's in the number system, what kind of numbers in the number systems. After that, it move on to like if I trying different way to operate, like I say, it change into this kind of form, or if I put a pen in the between, I can kind of make central axis go through it. See if you can see it. And then if I push down, it will go back to the ring position. Okay. Also, like I mentioned earlier, you can rotate the ring. Okay. So when we change this into different kind of form, it's just like the operation. While you're dealing with number with operation by following the order of operations, also called pandas. P parenthesis, M multiplication, D division, A addition and subtraction. The order of operation to deal with all the numbers inside this number system, okay? And here I use the rational numbers examples here in this pumpkin drawing, like integers, the whole number, positive, negative integers, and the zero or not integers, fractions. And actually fractions, decimals, and percents, they are the same concept but in different form, okay? Then we move into the word problems. Like, you verbalize the problem in words. And then in math, we can use the math language to calculate or figure out the answer by solving the equation. Okay, and then the last, data analysis. In SAT math, this part, is really interesting. There are some very fun problem by doing like throwing the dice or the cards, or you can do some kind of chances probability of some events or data analysis. Please leave the comment below if you have any question, and also like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.